Hello, I just made a simple add-on called Switcher. This add-on can be used to switch places between two selected objects. This can be helpful when you want to replace a new added object with an existing object, or if you want to switch the material of the object with ease. To install the add-on, just open Blender and go to the Blender Preferences under the Edit tab. On the left is the add-ons section. You click the Install button on top and you go where you downloaded the add-on. After installing, just check the box next to the add-on name. If you want to change the name of the tab in the end panel, just change the tab category, save your preferences, and you are good to go. The add-on will appear in the end panel. If two objects are selected, pressing the Switch Objects button will switch the objects from place, and the objects will keep their rotation. If Keep Rotation is unchecked, the objects will also switch their rotation among themselves when switching. If Switch Materials is checked, the objects will also switch their material. The Switch Only Material button will just switch the materials of the two selected objects. The Move to Cursor button in the panel will move the selected object or objects to the current 3D cursor location. Every material that is currently used in the scene will show up in the list. When a new material is assigned to an object, that material will be added to the list in the panel. Each material in the list can be selected and assigned to the selected object or objects by pressing the button. Please take note that this affects the entire object. The Remove button next to the material name in the list removes the material from the list and from all objects that are using this material. You don't need to select any object to make this happen. The material is not deleted from the blend file and can always be set back to the objects. The Remove Material button will remove the materials of the selected object or objects. You can also remove a selected material from the list, and it will only remove the material of the selected object that has that material, even if that object has also another material assigned to it. Multiple objects can be selected. Using the Delete Selected Material button, we'll delete the material from all objects using it. But it will also delete the material from the list and from the blend file after the OK button is pressed. Delete all materials will delete all the materials in the scene and every material in the blend file. So you end up with all blank objects after the OK button is pressed. Changing the name of the material can be done by double-clicking the material name in the list. The new name will be shown in the blend file and in the material slot. Thank you for watching, and maybe this add-on is something for you.